The question for today is, can I really use both a 1031 exchange and a Section 121 exclusion together? Yes, you can, but it depends on the situation. Usually a 1031 exchange is for investment properties, and the Section 121 exclusion is for your primary home, which is also called the primary home exclusion that we discussed earlier in the course. However, there are scenarios where you can make them work together. So the next sub-question is, tell me more about Section 121 exclusion. How does it work and who can use it? Section 121 exclusion is a tax benefit for homeowners. If you sell your primary residence, you might not have to pay taxes on the profit up to $250,000 for an individual or $500,000 for a married couple. To qualify, you usually need to have lived in the house for at least 2 out of the last 5 years. So why should I consider combining a 1031 exchange and a Section 121 exclusion when selling my property? Well, if you're selling a property that you use both as a home and an investment, so combining a 1031 exchange and the Section 121 exclusion might offer significant tax advantages. So this is especially helpful when your property has gained a lot in value and the usual tax breaks from selling a home might not cover all the gains. Can you give me an example of when I can use both the 1031 exchange and the Section 121 together? Sure. So changing your home into a rental. So if you turn your primary home into a rental property and met some conditions, you might qualify for both tax benefits. Or you can turn a rental property into your home. If you bought a property as an investment, use the 1031 exchange before, and later you make it your primary home, you can benefit from both strategies. Switching an investment property to your home. So if you initially bought a property as an investment and later decide to live in it, you can choose between the 1031 exchange and a Section 121 exclusion based on your needs and the time you have lived there. So those are the examples that where you can combine the two strategies. So let's move on to the next question.